Okay, so we're trying the slime recipe where you have a hand sanitizer with no alcohol and put it in the freezer. So we added in our hand sanitizer, but it has alcohol like 68%. So we're gonna try the slime recipe, and now you have to have like a container that you can cap, and you have to go put it inside the freezer. Okay, correction, I meant you have to put it inside the ice box, not the freezer. Okay, so once you have put it inside the ice box, then you have to leave it in there overnight and check on it in the morning and see if it has made slime, which we're going to do, and we'll show you the results. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we took it out of the refrigerator and it did not work. It's just a normal hand sanitizer, so do not try the slime recipe.